Vi4. Eye-catching display, impressive camera setup on both sides, MediaTek Dimensity 800 MT6873V chipset, powerful octa-core processor with 6GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, 128GB expandable storage, stunning outer design, 5G ready device. Verdict. Thanks to its good battery life, powerful processor, and robust display options, REALME 8's 5G is fully equipped to enhance your daily experience. You can also depend on the particular to store a variety of apps, data and games as per convenience. Moreover, REALME has provided a sidewise fingerprint sensor facilitating seamless one-handed usage. Experience seamless operations within budget. Display and camera. REALME 8's 5G s 6.5 inches IPS LCD gets a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels accompanied by a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The device also gets an aspect ratio of 20:9 besides a pixel density of 270p. There is a punch hole on the top left corner housing the selfie shooting lens. A 64MP f/1.8 wide-angle primary shooter, an 8MP f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2MP f/2.4 macro camera is placed on the rear side of the smartphone along with an LED flash. Moreover, REALME has incorporated a 16MP primary camera on the front which can capture beautiful selfies. Configuration and battery. REALME 8's 5G internal operations are taken care of by a MediaTek Dimensity 800 MT6873V chipset, a Mali G57MC4 GPU, an octa-core processor layout, quad-core Cortex-A76 and quad-core Cortex-A55, and a 6GB RAM. REALME has placed a robust yet non-replaceable 5000 mAh Li-ion battery within the device, compatible with a 33 watts fast charging system. Storage and connectivity. REALME 8's 5G packs 128GB internal storage, which can be expanded up to 256GB with a microSD card. 4G VoLTE, a GPS GLONASS, 5G, Bluetooth v5.1, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C and mobile hotspot are the available connectivity options. REALME 8's 5G price starts from Rs 17,999. This is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of REALME 8's 5G, which is available in Universe Blue, Universe Purple color. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.